Welcome to Calculus with Seigal. Hello, this is Jason Seigal. That is WAlid Abourouaine. That is Taylor Arellano. I'm going to teach you about quotient rule. Hello, this is Jason Seigal. We're back with another edition of Calculus with Seigal. Today we're going to be learning the quotient rule. Why do the quotient rule? Let's see. We need to differentiate a function that has a quotient in it. For example, I'm going to give you a function, 3x squared over the cosine of x. If you can do that without the quotient rule, you deserve a medal, my friend. That's why I'm going to teach you the quotient rule. Alright, in every single case, there is a formula we are going to be following. First, we're going to have the denominator. We are going to multiply that times the derivative of the numerator. We are going to subtract. Remember that subtraction. Unlike the product rule, we are subtracting rather than adding. A key mistake is made there by many students. We can't do it if we're going to be the best. We're subtracting the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Once we do that, we're going to put it all over the denominator squared. So, just when doing the product rule, we gave each of these almost separate functions. We're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to call 3x squared n, or the numerator. And we're going to call cosine of x d, or the denominator. So what I like to do first is to differentiate both these functions. So we're going to call n prime 6x, and we're going to call negative sine of x d prime. So now I'm going to put all these in terms of n and d, as I just put the function in terms of n and d. So the denominator is going to be d. We're going to multiply that times the derivative of the numerator, which is n prime. We're going to subtract, keyword, subtract the numerator, which is n, times the derivative of the denominator, which is d prime. And don't forget, we're putting all that over d squared. So let's write that out here. We got d, cosine of x. We're going to multiply that times n prime 6x. We're going to subtract n, 3x squared, times d prime, negative sine of x. And we're going to put all that all over d squared, which is cosine of x squared. If you got a picky teacher, simplify. If not, you got your new derivative. Thank you for listening. Calculus with Seigal. Listen, I had a great time working with you. I hope my video helped you learn something that you were struggling with, because it is our goal to have everyone proficient at calculus, and I love working with you. I hope to see you again. Calculus with Seigal.